there, math wizards, and welcome back to another episode of Learn This. Today, we're diving into multiplying by eights. If you've ever thought, wow, eights are tricky, don't worry. We've got tips and tricks to help you master them in no time. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the amazing pattern in the 8 times table. Pay close attention to the tens and ones digits as we go up each step. Here's what it looks like. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. 8 times 12 is 96. Can you see the pattern? It might be hard to see like this, so let's simplify this by looking at just the answers. I'll put them into a single column too, so the pattern is easier to see. Now, let's simplify it even further by just looking at the first 5 numbers. Perfect. Now, look at the tens column. What do you notice? That's right. The numbers go up by 1 digit. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy, right? Okay then, what about the ones column? Well, that starts with 8 and counts down by 2s. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Pretty cool, right? Well, here is where it gets even cooler. If you look at the rest of the numbers, you'll see that pattern repeat. The tens column starts with the last number from that first group of 5. So in this case, the 4 repeats. Then it just counts up by 1 digit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's another group of 5. And look at the ones column again. It starts with 8 and it counts down to 0 by 2s. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Hopefully, understanding this pattern can help you recall the multiples of 8. If you can't remember one multiple, but remember one close to it, this pattern can help you figure out the answer. Let's look at an example. My teacher asked me, what is 8 times 7? I can't remember the answer. But I do remember that 8 times 5 is 40. And because I know this pattern, I can easily figure out 8 times 7. Remember, the pattern is in groups of 5. 40 is the last number in the first group. So then we start a new group of 5, following the same pattern. We repeat the 4 from the previous group, then add 1 digit to the next 4 numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. I know my tens, but what about my ones? Remember, start at 8 and count down by 2s. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Now, my answer is right in front of me. If 8 times 5 is 40, then 8 times 6 is 48, and 8 times 7 is 56. That's my answer. 8 times 7 equals 56. Pretty cool, right? Now, before you run off to practice these new math tricks, I want to show you one more way you can figure out multiples of 8. This one is called double 3 times. Let me show you what I mean. 8 is really just doubling 4, and 4 is just doubling 2. That means if you know a multiple of 2, you can double it 3 times to figure out the multiple of 8. Here's an example. To find 8 times 5, let's get rid of the 8 and just focus on the 5. Now, we need to double the 5, which is really the same as multiplying it by 2. If you double 5, you get 10. Now let's double it again. 10 plus 10 is 20. Remember, the name of this trick is double 3 times, so we need to double it one more time. 20 plus 20 is 40. That means 8 times 5 equals 40. This strategy works best with numbers that are easy to double, so keep that in mind. Let's use it to try to figure out a bigger equation, just for fun. What is 8 times 20? Let's ignore the 8 and just focus on the 20. Now, let's double it 3 times. 20 doubled is 40. 40 doubled is 80. Now, one more time. Do you know what 80 doubled is? It might seem like a big scary number, but it isn't as bad as you might think. It's really just the same as doubling 8 and adding a 0. 8 plus 8 is 16. Add a 0 to it and you get 160. That's our answer. 8 times 20 equals 160. Try this out around your parents and watch their reaction to your math superpowers. I hope these math tricks help you figure out multiples of 8. For more multiplication practice, check out the other videos on our channel. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun lessons. See you next time on Learn This.